Hello everyone. Today we will make another example, something very fun I think for you guys. We will test Genspark Super Agent, which is the best agent, even better than Manus, the one that everyone talk about. Genspark is basically now the best. We will test it with a use case that probably will be very interesting to many of you, which is basically searching a job. We will basically use my CV, my personal CV, which by the way you can look on LinkedIn. You can search for Roberto Coscia, and we will search for jobs for an automation testing position, full remote, and jobs specifically that want people that use Playwright as an automation testing library. Playwright and TypeScript. So let's do that. Let's do that and let's search what come out with. So what we will do is to please search for jobs that this CV would be likely fit for. The job should be full remote and for a playwright TypeScript JavaScript position I could apply for even being resident in Italy. Create a spreadsheet with the results clickable with links clickable and easily actionable. So basically, also to divide the permanent positions to the freelancing positions. Anything else that could be even more astonishing? Like we can say that these positions could be scraped from anywhere in the web, LinkedIn, or any other remote friendly job platform and official one. Or the website. Basically, we can even go to the website of the company or the company websites. Prioritize jobs from US, Dubai, Arabic Emirates, and EMEA. I think more than this, more accurate than this, I cannot think straight at the moment to be more than this. So let's go with it. Very random but useful way because obviously, imagine if Genspark can allow you to find a job without the hassle to search for positions that are fit with your CV. Generally, is ourselves that we are searching for jobs, for positions, evaluating, applying, then fitting in the CV. Instead, we are doing the opposite. We are using our CV to search jobs that mostly fit them. That will be very interesting to see if this work. In my dreams, this basically already give me a list of jobs that I can just apply and know that they are perfect for my CV. How cool would that would be? Let's see if Genspark, which is the best better than Manu, make our job hunting more easier. As you know now, when you apply for jobs, you have to be careful of many things. The skills, you need to be careful of the keywords of this job. Make your CV fit to that, because now we know most of us know that our jobs, our CV are scanned by tools, and only if you win this competition, you might get even called by recruiters. So we can see that it's already coming out actually from with some jobs. Let's see what the response is. Let's see, senior Paramount, senior QA engineer, QA engineer become. By the way, I worked for Paramount, great company, but I think they are moving into, they're getting acquired. QA engineer, from rumors or from the web. Anyway, senior QA engineer deal better me. Interesting. Wow. Okay, Testilio, near for freelance contracts. I got basically how many? One, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. It's not this amazing. They want Playwright as a skill. In some they want Python though. I asked for TypeScript. But by the way, I could just click apply and go send my CV. We will also search now that this position, when I click, they actually work as expected. By the way, we want to export as a PDF. Let's open in a new tab because we want to see if is this position first of all additional verification required. Are those positions existent? Yes, this job exists. Let's see if they require playwright. And yes, those positions are real. So guys, you go on LinkedIn, you search generally for jobs, and you know not necessarily you're searching for jobs that very specific requirement. Like this, you can just go for it and apply for a job that relevant to your profile. This research to you would require days while you're working, probably. Instead, like this, 2 seconds. And just for 200 credits is for free. You might want to pay if you want to use it more to do more complex stuff, but to my opinion, sounds really worth it. And by the way, we could even iterate and say we want a bigger list. We want, let's ask it. We want a bigger, we want to enhance this list to be much bigger. You able to keep the current list and add much more positions available and separate. Could you also find and filter for positions? I don't know if I will be able to, if I will hit the 200 credits though. Could you also find positions that were salaries above 50,000 euros a year? Should we ask this question? By the way, let's this open in a new window separately. Yes, let's go for it. And yes, we hit our credits. Well, as you can see, if you want, if you do for per year, you can have $20 per month credit. You have 10,000 credits in that case with the best models out there in it. And on the monthly data, you get $24 per month. What you do with 10,000 credits, definitely interesting stuff. Is it worth it? I believe it is. I believe it is. Many use cases. It is better to use this than other tools. It's proven to be better than MANUS. By the way, let me know if you wish me to have to make this membership to show you bigger stuff to build full stack application. I see there is an interest on the Genspark automation and to building up with it. If I see that engagement and new comments and requests for it, I will buy the membership and build the really much more complex things and application with it. If you have advice on what to build, let me know in the comment, and I will build exactly what the best thing and the comment that receive most engagement and popularity. I will exactly build that for you guys. Let me know in the comment, and that's it for today. See you in the next video.